Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of it's Monday, September the 28th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, only one. But there is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 8 Sudokus. But this regular Sudoku, I will start, and this will be number 1632. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. So you can see or compare the difficulty level with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional. The 1 star has 27 printed digits and the 4 stars 24. And how many are there in this Sudoku Medium? Let me check. Let me count. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 2 is 24, 24 plus 4 is equal to 26. Alright, so you can say 26, it's a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. We see here 4 in this column, A4 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is A4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 in this row. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Well, look, now we have a 4 here. So this dot I've marked for the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there, because I have marked those 2 boxes for the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so all the 4s are used, I can see. Nope, and all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. How about this row? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 5 in this column, the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then. Cannot continue with the 6. How about? How about? Let me see. Eight in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 1, 7 and a 3. One, 9 and 7. In the middle row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. And then Alright. We have in this column 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 2. In this big square, we have an 8 and a 2, so no 8 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here also a 2, so no 2 there in this big square. No, here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 should be there, and the 8 goes here. The other 3 numbers should be the 1, the 3, 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are going in these 2 boxes. I marked this for you. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7, and look, we have already a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. 1 should be here, and 7 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. And look, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3, I believe. 3 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. The numbers are the 2 and the 6, I believe. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 6 in this column. The first column. 6 in the third column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there and the 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 6. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 3 numbers left. Let me do 1 number in this column. 1 number left. This should be the number 8. 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8. Yes. 8 is missing. So now we have 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you next time with the additional with extra Sudokus. Bye bye. See you then.